Let's make lemon baked fish. This one is straight from our Cooking with Kids Cookbook. I only need a few ingredients, so I'm just going to show you those real quick. We just need some white fish. This one is a Pacific cod, but you can use tilapia or any other just white fish like halibut would work too. We're going to need a couple lemons and just some butter and a little bit of seasoning. Today I'm going to try this roasted garlic and herb seasoning. I've also used other types of seasonings. Whatever you have on hand, you just want to give it some good flavor. And then when you're done, you want to chop up some chive, parsley, or cilantro. So one of the most awesome things about this cookbook is that all of the ingredients are listed really large for you to read them. Same with the instructions. They're all listed with lots of nice spacing. This is made for kids to be able to cook, but you adults can also use this. It just makes recipes even easier. So let's get started. Okay, we just need to preheat our oven to 350. Start. There we go. That's going to heat up. Next, you want to add your fish to the pan. And juice your lemon. I used a little juice squeezer, or you can just squeeze it into your pan. I'm just going to pour that right over the fish. And then pour the butter all the way around the fish and on top of it. And you can take your garlic and just spread it over the fish. I use this little paintbrush or pastry brush, whatever you want to call it, and I just paint it all over the fish. That way a little bit of garlic goes all over. And sprinkle on your seasoning. Next, you just want to slice up a lemon or two, and that way you'll have these nice slices to set right on top of the fish. So just take each slice of lemon and put 2 or 3 on each piece of fish that you have. And there it is, ready to go in the oven. I'm just going to take that pan and put it in the oven for about 20-25 minutes. As long as the fish is cooked through, it would be ready to go. Here it is. Garnish, and there we go. Alright, let's try it. Our lemon baked fish. So good. Very light, lemony, garlicky. Just a bit of seasoning. That's all you need.